Many business owners don't realize the benefits of using branded packaging. It's a great way to get your brand out there. You can really make your packaging special. The most important thing is to ensure that your customers have a great unboxing experience. We started the packaging company because there were a lot of small to medium-sized businesses that were looking for packaging solutions. If you're a big corporation, it's easy to get custom products, it's easy to get your logo printed on something. But when you're a small business just starting up, it's very hard to find that type of product. So we started the packaging company to solve that issue. Businesses should use the packaging company for all of their packaging solutions because we're a one-stop shop. We have over 12,000 stock items and custom products that customers can easily order. If you only need a brown box, we'll be able to help you out, but if you want it printed with your logo on it, we'll be able to help you with that as well. You can go online, order everything you need at the click of a few buttons. What's really great is we've got a 3D online editing tool that you can go online and design all your packaging. We know the kind of passion and hard work it takes to build a successful business. So our product offerings, customer service, and tools for building custom packaging are all geared towards those who want strength, protection, and success. We want to ensure that all of our customers have a great user experience. We want to make sure that all of our tools are easy to use and they're able to order their packaging without having any problems at all. Whether you need 50 boxes or 500 boxes, the packaging company is here to help. For all your custom packaging needs, please contact the packaging company today.